Welcome all. So let's get started with Scratch. Now this is how our Scratch screen looks. So what do we have here? Let us know each and every part of the Scratch screen. On the top we have a menu bar which has options like File, Edit, Tutorials. If you click on each menu, you get some option drop down. It could be a new project opening or loading something that is saved already in the computer, or if you're working on a program made in Scratch, you can save it to your computer. Here we have Edit. It has its own options. The details of it we will go later. And tutorials are many projects online that people share, which you can go to. So this top is menu bar. Then next we have here our block categories. Except for the last My Blocks, the other 8 blocks are called block categories. Each block category has its own palette. The blue motion block category has its blue palette. Next, purple looks have its own palette. Here in the palettes we have blocks which has some written program. Like if you go in the first motion, you click on it, drag it to the middle area and see what happens to this cat. You click on it, it's moving, move 10 steps. So the distance it is moving is 10 steps. You drag it and drop it again in the palette area anywhere. The block is removed from this middle area, which is called script. What is it called? Yes, script area. In the script area, we write our Scratch program using blocks from the block palette. Here next to the script area, we have stage. If you see, the cat here is on the stage. So whatever program you're going to write here in the script area in the middle, the object cat, which is called a sprite. What is it called? Yes, sprite. So the sprite will do the actions. Below our stage is an area, if you see, which has picture of the object. This is called where we collect all our objects which are taking part in the program that we make. So this is called sprite list or sprite area. If you see here in the corner right, we have stage written, and below that they are showing the stage blank icon because we don't have any pictures there. The background, that's what we call backdrops. That means any scene, any picture that you want to put behind the sprite. This is sprite area. This is our stage backdrop. We are going to just basically understand what all we have on the Scratch screen right now. The details we'll go in the next class. So over the stage area, if you see a green flag which says go. You take your mouse cursor over it, it says go means start a program. Red one means stop a program. Whatever program you write in the script area is run on the stage area. The actions are done by this object called sprite. So are we clear with the basic look of Scratch screen? Okay, our sprite cat says yes, a little bit. For the start, it might be a little confusing, but as you go further in the classes, you will know better of Scratch, and it is pretty simple and fun to do.